Smiley's a
Yes.
in your bracelets. The bracelets are lighting up to me now.
That was pretty.
Harper knows how. A heart.
I saw weather. I saw these.
I think that was it.
I saw.
That's cool.
Or was it a heart?
I saw a spaceship.
A spaceship.
Spaceship. Another spaceship. Wow.
So loud, aren't
That's right.
they? Whoa.
Whoa.
What was that?
That looks like a planet. Saturn.
That was from Mars.
So sweet, we're squeal.
Let's be waiting here all night. What if somebody gets them and they will be gone?
There it goes.
The other night when they shot them off over at Pennington, you talking about echo, and it echoed good off them mountains over at Pennington.
You hear it echoing here.
Yes.
Yeah.
The same.
Oh, that's pretty. Wow.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Wow!
Did you see that one?
They're like, what I can make? One eye in the face.
I'm not going to video as a whole.
I wish we would have talked
Wow!
Smiley face. Corey, was that a smiley face?
I think it was.
John Stamos.
Wow. What she said? John Stamos.
Who is John Stamos?
She knows. It's so random.
That was pretty.
Wow.
I'm using it to look at the
We should have
fire.
remembered these.
What?
These when we
What do you mean?
she doesn't have any. You should have remembered them.
To buy
You wanna see these?
glow in the dark thing. Boy, they only last a day.
That was so great.
It was.
What's the water?
That was. Heart.
She's alive.
What? What'd she say? Do you even know? I didn't think so. She knows everything. I'm gonna look in it.
Boom, boom, shakalaka.
Boo shakalaka.
Light up that building. What? What? Harry Potter. You know who's going
That's a big one.
Whoa.
Chicken wingers, boom, boom, shakalaka.
That baby.
This is heavy. Ballooning baby.
That was neat.
Adam, stand where?
Watch what's happening in it. Look at him.
Stand where?
There's those gold ones.
Boom, boom. Boom, boom, chicken wingers. Boom, boom, chicken wingers. The hot ones.
The heart ones. Hopefully there'll be more heart ones, right?
Whoa, that's a spaceship for Jeff.
For Jeff.
That's a potato.
Potato.
A potato.
Potato.
I don't see potatoes.
Spaceship and potato.
Whoa. Whoa, watermelon.
Boom, boom, chicken wingers.
You can see them.
That's jellyfish.
Jellyfish, yeah.
Somebody's having fun.
Boom, boom, chicken liners. Boom, boom, chicken liners. John Stamos. Tickle.
Okay.
Face down, face up.
Those look like what? You see that? Oh, what is face? Like your bracelet, the face down?
Hey,
Look.
face down, face up.
Yeah,
Thumbs up down,
what-
thumbs up down.
what-
Fire at work.
How does this make? By name?
Boom, boom, chick, and wiener.
Chicken Littles. Chicken Littles.
Bam, bam.
Boom.
Big shoulder. Big shoulder.
Yeah.
And the whole back.
Bam.
Nah, it didn't work. If you look at me again, I'll get one. Kelly right.
Boom, boom, chicken liners.
Smiley face.
A horse.
Horse?
Of course.
That's an umbrella.
Yeah, and I can see an umbrella maybe. No. I didn't see the horse. Barbara
That
saw
went all in the trees there.
Hey, go tell Nana.
Oh, you're
Yeah.
must be getting close to the finale.
Pig with the head.
I don't know.
Pig with head.
But it's gonna shoot them out.
Pig with heads, is that what you said?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
When the LOL dog's head get off, we call him pig with head.
Yeah, when the LOL dolls
I know.
heads come off.
We call them pigs.
Big heads.
That's pretty. I like those kind.
You all have pig with heads? What head? Boom, boom, shake your hand.
I think these are already longer than Johnson City's.
Maybe.
We're at 19 minutes right now.
Boom, boom, chicken winners bottle. Pickle's head. Yeah.
Not more than two.
No, actually,
You're right.
It was all yellow. That was SpongeBob.
SpongeBob.
Yeah.
boom, boom, chicken winners.
Itty bitty.
That's it. Pig with head. Actually, pig with body.
Pickles ball.
That's a flower face.
That's a what?
Flower.
Look how she's. Look. That's it. Get it, get it. Is that comfy? Here, let me sit on a stretch real quick. I want to push you down the hill. Let's go rolling. Rolling down. Here, back up this way. I'll just pick it.
Okay. You did it good. Okay, smile. Look like that, dude. That was great.
Oh yeah, no doubt.
Oh, look.
Yes, you can. Build them.
Like a whole bunch of his heart. Sure, this is maybe.
Penguin's head!
Here you go.